What's up and welcome to my channel. I recommend you to also take a look at my other channel, which is Edward Excel. I share a lot of interesting things. With that being said, a lot of traders think that smart money make them profitable. I recommend to pay close attention to all the things that are shared in my channel right here, whether they are the shorts or the videos or also the written things that I share and most people don't take a look at. I recommend you to take a look at these things because a lot of people, as I said already, think that smart money makes you profitable. But why? If everyone knows about smart money, why is not everyone profitable yet? Why are 95% of the traders still losing money? This doesn't make sense because it seems like smart money is the holy grail, but at the same time, 95% of the people are still losing money. Of course, it can be a mindset problem. Of course, it can be, not good risk management and a lot of other things. But at the same time, it looks like smart money doesn't really work. Is that really it? I'm not sure. Actually, I am. I know that, I know for sure that you need to have a statistical edge when you are trading. Smart money doesn't make you profitable. My strategy has some concepts of smart money. It actually has many concepts that are put together and many others that I don't really take a look at. The reason why is because you need to find a statistical edge on the market, whether it is with smart money or with other things, and you need to make sure that your strategy is back tested and works statistically. We are here, and I am here in this channel to show you concepts that are making me profitable. So, with that being said, let's get started. So, I was saying we can clearly see how the Asian range plays a crucial role. We didn't see very good opportunities today, not me and not any member of my team, actually. We were not so interested in trades. The only thing that can look slightly interesting was here above the Asian range. You can see how the Asian range always plays a huge role. Here we manipulate to the upside. After the manipulation to the upside, we have pullback, break here to the upside. Here we break the last demand, which was in control. Why is this one in control? Can anyone answer me? Why is this demand in control? Let's see if anyone has the correct answer. It's a pretty easy question. If you watch the course, you know why this demand is in control. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for someone to write in the chat. Strong low because it was validated break of the previous maximum. Yes, it's the break of the previous maximum of the previous high, which is this one, breaks the previous high. Where does the move start from? It doesn't start from here. This is the move that breaks the previous high. So what we have in control right here is this high and this low. After that, we have this high in control, but we break the low. We break the low right here, and we have supply. Supply being in control. Demand is not in control anymore. We have supply. After this supply is reached, we can look at some volume confirmation. If that could be the case, let me see. Yes, it was also good trading time. Let's see if we have any good volume right here. Okay, yeah, we have this push to the downside with volume above the moving average. I know that I haven't shared the lesson about volume yet, but I wanted to share it already in December. And I said, hey guys, if this video gets to 100 likes before the end of the year, I will share the lesson. Nobody cared about it. So, I mean, I want to share everything all the time. I just asked for a simple thing, but yeah, I will share it now. So I will do the lesson on the volumes. It's very good for extra confirmation. But anyway, here, this could have been a good trade for today, but I will say that overall, also because US 30 is not a pair that I'm looking at this much, we'll actually take the screenshot of this to print it later. And I will tell you the importance of printing charts. Printing charts is very important. Right. So printing charts is of crucial importance because you need to get your eyes used to the setups, basically. It's pretty easy, pretty simple explanation. The more you practice, the more you see things, the more you're used to seeing them, basically. The more you're used to seeing good trades, bad trades, the more you're used to recognizing what are the good setups looking like, what are the bad setups looking like. So you just need to practice a lot. And the moment they start practicing, the moment you start printing your charts, you will have a bunch of printed charts with all the good setups and then print charts with all the stop losses that you take. And you will notice 100% that they have many things in common. This is also my charts that I print. I share them with all of my Funded Accelerator students. This is so important because you will start seeing all the things that good setups have in common, all the things that best setups have in common, and you will start realizing how important it is to just focus on the best setups. You will see fake change of characters, you will see fake confirmation way easier. Trust me, start printing your charts and then review them if you can every day. Every day you take your good setups and just look at them. Maybe they are 100, but in 20 minutes you look at them. Then you look at the best setups. Make sure that you always keep in mind the difference between them. So I was saying, yeah, US 30 is not a pair that I trade this much. It's not an index that I trade this much because I focus more on GER 30. And I'm not focusing on so many pairs. I don't want to look at the whole market. For example, I also have gold right here. But to be honest, I'm not trading gold lately. I'm just investing heavily in gold. And I hope that you didn't miss the gold scam webinar, because gold is a scam. You need to know how to invest in gold correctly. The webinar is shared with Investor University students. There are huge possibilities for gold, huge possibilities to make huge money in the next 3 to 5 years. But yeah, people don't know how the scam of gold is working. Therefore, they don't know how to make money with it. GER 30 just filled 4 hours imbalance. We can check it out and see if, what are these? Well, anyway. So it just filled this imbalance. That's amazing. This is also liquidity, 100%. I see GER 30 going up, but I need to see a good confirmation. I don't usually just trade from imbalance. I would love to see it come lower. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens and how good of a confirmation we get. The best thing would be, and you know that I like these setups, is, just quickly, fake confirmation. We go here below, we touch the area, we give a good confirmation here, we get involved from here. So keep this in mind. We are looking for this on GER 30. This is the best setups. This is the best setup that I will look to trade. Honestly, I'm not going to look for a buy from here. Personally, I'm not interested in this. Rather, we could have been interested in selling, taking advantage of the fake change of character, because this looks kind of like, it's not the best example of fake change of character, to be honest, because here there was an accumulation, here there was the break with good volume and push to the upside. So actually, no, I wouldn't sell, but I will show you anyway how to take advantage of the fake change of character if this was a fake change of character. So fake change of character, we reach the supply above the fake change of character, we go to lower time frames, pretty easy, and we look for confirmation. Here, we didn't even have confirmation, so we don't get involved. But the whole point is that if here we have a good confirmation, we get involved, going against all the people that trade the fake change of character the other way. So basically, they think it's a change of character. Now, it was just to make a quick summary of the fake change of character. Honestly, I don't know. Honestly, I will not have a bias whether to decide whether this is a fake change of character or a real change of character, because I'm just trading my plan. So to be honest, as I said already, this doesn't look like a bad change of character, but My plan is to trade after all the people are taken out and trade after the point of interest is reached. So the point of interest is this. We clearly saw on 4 hours, it was not reached yet. Second thing is the best setups, according to my strategy, are the setups that unfold after a fake change of character. So there is fake change of character, then there is a good change of character, and we just smash the market all the time.